In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the Google Ads dashboard for campaign performance. First, we'll need to navigate our way to the Google Ads platform, which is the start of our journey. So, open up your preferred web browser and type in Google Ads into the search bar. Hit enter and the first suggestion should be the official Google Ads website. Click on that link which will take you to their homepage. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is to look at the top right corner of the page. You should see a sign in button. Go ahead and click that, and you might be prompted to enter your credentials, your email and password associated with your Google Ads account. Make sure you have that handy as you'll need it to access your dashboard. If you're signing in on a public or shared device, remember to log out after you're done to keep your account secure. After logging in, you'll land on the Google Ads home. What we're going to do next is to find your way to the overview section, which is where we can access the main parts of your campaign performance. From the home screen you will see a toolbar or navigation menu usually situated on the left side of the screen. There should be several options available to you, and we're interested in clicking on Overview. By clicking on Overview, you'll be taken to a central hub that gives you a high-level view of how your campaigns are performing. This section is designed to be pretty intuitive, even for those who are new to Google Ads. You'll see all sorts of data presented through various charts and graphs. This is where you can start diving deeper into specific metrics such as impressions, clicks, and conversions, which are all crucial components in determining how well your advertising efforts are paying off. If this is your first time here, take a moment to explore the various graphs and data points available on the overview page. Hovering over different parts of the graphs usually provides additional detail on what those numbers represent. This part of Google Ads is incredibly powerful because it allows you to quickly assess the health of your campaigns and even spot trends or anomalies that may require your attention. And there you have it, a simple way to check your Google Ads dashboard for campaign performance. Remember, the key to successful online advertising is monitoring and adapting based on the data provided here. By regularly keeping an eye on these metrics, you can make the necessary adjustments to optimize your ad campaigns for better results. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you get the most out of your Google Ads campaigns.